I'm gonna try some walnut meat. Little Chef takes on another vegan recipe. So we start with soaking some walnuts for an hour. Buy walnuts. Our walnuts are done soaking, so we'll put them into a food processor along with some mushrooms. All right, here we go. Does this look like ground beef? Kinda. Stop. I think that looks better. I have no idea. I don't do this vegan thing. Okay, now we season this. So we're gonna make this into like a taco meat. So we're gonna season it with taco seasonings. Here we go. Garlic powder, earth, wind, fire, cumin, chili powder. Not even close to ground beef, but we're gonna continue this process. Yum. Look at that, we got a little color on it. It doesn't look too bad. Okay, we need to make a taco now and taste this. Our walnut meat goes on, tomatoes, cilantro and green onion, a little bit of hot sauce. The flavor's there. You go, vegans.